Topical, numbing, BLT, benzocaine, lidocaine, tetracaine. So just put it on like gloss.
How long will it take?
For it to kick in, or from start to finish? The topical, I usually like to let sit for about 20 minutes or so, but I also will do a dental block on you, so that will help.
Is this good or more?
No, that's you don't have to be like.
I want to be covered.
Yeah, you don't have to stay within the lines by any means. And then just try not to lick your lips. And then pop your bottom lip out like this. Yep, like that. I'm just gonna put a little bit in here, and then a little bit up here. Perfect. Okay, cool. You can close your mouth if you want. So you do show some of your gums when you smile, so it will help with that. But having said that, you know, you will have somewhat of a lower smile on the teeth line. And it looks like you have a little bit more natural volume on this side than that side.
The top is a little bit more thicker, but like the bottom lip is where I wanted it.
Yeah, so do you like the ratio being bigger bottom lip? Usually a natural lip is 1 to 1.6 ratio. So the top lip is a 1 and then the bottom lip is a 1.6. So your bottom lip naturally has a little bit more volume. So do you want to keep that? You want your bottom lip to be a little bit, some people like them to be completely proportion equal, you know, equal top and bottom. Some people like a bigger top lip. It's completely preference. Is your tongue feeling numb?
I feel like a hard spot on my lip. Is that normal?
Where? Is it like grainy?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the stuff.
Oh, okay.
It's all grainy. Yeah.
Oh my god, I see the needle and
this is not a needle.
But, okay, but
it's a syringe. You'll be fine.
That's just what I need.
Stress balls.
Any boobs. Do you put the vibrator thingy on?
I have that as well. Some people think it works, some people don't. I think it's a good distractor.
Yo, I'm like freaking out.
You're fine. She's fine. She's fine. Breathe. Breathe. You good? No pinch and a burn. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. Sorry about that. Okay?
Yeah.
Pinch and burn. You okay? Good. Just breathe. And then pinch and burn. Breathe. Good. Good job. You took that like a champ. So you should start to feel like you're getting numb. Is your bottom lip getting numb?
It was already numb.
How do you feel now? And so keep in mind, you probably already feel gigantic, right?
Yeah.
But you have no filler in. Okay. This is just the sensation of the numbing between the topical and then the dental block. Do you need a tissue for your eyes?
Am I crying?
No, it's just like a little bit of, it's like a reflex when you do that middle, like right in there, that cupid's bow.
Yeah, that last one that you did, I felt that one.
That one hurts the worst. This is the most sensitive area, so we want to make sure that that's nice and numb. You feeling nice and numb?
I think so. I hope so.
Just gonna do a couple quick. You're fine. Actually, I'm gonna switch this.
Kim. This is the first one hurt. Oh my god, don't do this.
Chin up. Breathe, breathe, breathe. You okay? See? No reason to get all upset. And I'm using a product called Restylane Define. Doing just little threads to make that bottom lip pop a little bit.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same.
You doing okay? See? You're doing this, sister. I'm going to return a little to the right. Open a little bit. Open your mouth. Good.
Still freaking out. It doesn't hurt that bad, but
Just the anticipation smile.
I felt it like on the cupids.
The cupid sucks. Totally. But it will, the cupids is like one of the best parts.
Yeah, I felt that one.
Smile. Hard to smile. You okay? Oh, breathe. You okay?
I just hold my breath.
Breathe. You feel it more on this side? Do you feel like you need more numbing?
That was the cutest one?
That's always the worst. I'm gonna. Do you want more numbing? Okay. Yes. Okay.
Oh, we're doing that? Then never mind.
You don't want it? It's just. It'll be. Yeah, you do want it.
Oh, it's not bad.
Cause you're already a little bit down.
Teeth are cold. Is that normal?
Your teeth are cold.
Yeah, like
I think you have altered sensation right now. Almost done. You're doing this one. Vision. So you have a little bruise. Let me show you. Right here. Smile. And I think there's one, maybe like right there.
Yeah.
But those will, they're very minimal. So basically what we want to do is just really even that out. Smile again. So you're still showing teeth, which is good. It's what we wanted.
I think my lip, my face is just naturally uneven.
That's totally normal.
Really?
Asymmetry, nobody's symmetric at all, ever. If you're symmetric.
I noticed that I don't know if it's my teeth, but this side goes up more and this side goes down.
Yeah, mine. I have asymmetry too. Yeah, everyone does. So let me see. Open a little bit. I mean, I feel like we could add. You have a nice volume over here. I feel like we could add a little tiny bit there. How do you feel about the middle? Do you want any more in the middle, or do you want?
Is it possible if you can do a little bit
underneath to roll it down? To pull this down. Yeah, so I'll add this, and then you can add more here. When, the second just now?
No, not now. It's like I stopped breathing because like anticipation. So like within every like injection.